Just can't find a meaty industrial version of what you're looking for? Maybe you can make it yourself. Ow! That's bright. Ow! That's really bright. Ah! That's really bright. So it turns out the batteries had died on my auto darkening helmet. So I switched to an old helmet that's not auto darkening. I really like these shadows from the weld spatter from the earlier welds. Here I am looking like an idiot, trying to make my old helmet lens turn clear by covering up the sensor, which it just doesn't have. So I decided rather than looking silly, I would take my helmet apart, figure out what batteries it used, and it turns out it uses these little 3-volt lithium batteries that I happen to have a pretty good stash of for making little LED tea lights. So putting the helmet back together, and I'm back in business, not looking like an idiot.